Today, we're taking a look at our newest listing in Rollins Square.
Most people don't know about this fantastic association within the South End.
This 184-unit association contains low-rise buildings, each with their own private entrance.
Okay, you've waited long enough. Come on in to penthouse C301.
On the first floor, you'll find the perfect blend of comfort and style in both the kitchen and living areas, as this unit was gut renovated in 2017. Coming upstairs, the second floor houses 3 bedrooms and 2 full-size bathrooms.
And don't forget the piece de resistance, this huge 500+ square foot private roof deck.
Plus, say goodbye to circling the block with 2 underground parking spots.
Inventory has been sparse in the 3-bed category in the spring of 24, but here's a good one, so don't hesitate and call us today to set up a tour. I'm Jeff Hamilton.
And I'm Emma Kolotek of Columbus and Over Group.